Today, we're plotting points on a coordinates plane to draw the Grimoire from Wicked. We'll be plotting points in all 4 quadrants, which means you'll be practicing negative and positive coordinates on both the X and Y axes. This coordinate tutorial plots points in 3 phases: the book cover, the top pages, and the bottom pages. I'm plotting in Canva, but you can also plot your points on graph paper. You can find the link below to start a Canva account and another link to create a repeatable coordinates plane. Make sure to check with your guardian before joining any software. Let's get started. So I've got my repeatable coordinates plane here, and I've duplicated it just here, and I'm going to call this coordinates Grimoire. And I've got the lines on the x-axis and the y-axis numbered from -9 to 9, which is what I need. Okay, so I'm going to take, if you followed me when we did the Elphaba's hat and Nessa's shoe, then you'll know that we're going to use a circle. So we can just go to shapes, which is here, and circle. And I'm going to make this black, and I'm going to make this 0.2. And you'll know that the toolbar at the bottom, you can make it larger to help you adjust everything. So it's 0.4, it tells me the height and width 0.4, and I'm going to make that bigger, so we'll go smaller, 0.3, make it even bigger, 0.2. Okay, you can make it what size you like, and also you can use paper. So we've got a dot, and our first point is 3 across on the x-axis and 1 up. Our next point is 6 across and 5 up. 6 on the x and 5. And our next point is 3, 9. So Command C, Command V. 3 and 9. Command C, Command V. -3 and 9. Command C, Command V. -6, 5. And each time I'm Command C, Command V for a copy of it. -3, 1. Command C, Command V. And I'm going to do -3, -1. Command C, Command V. I'm going to do -6, -5. Command C, Command V. I'm going to do -3, -9. Command C, Command V. And do 3. -9. So X, 3 along, Y, and then I'm going to do 6, -5, and copy and paste. I'll do 3, -1. So that is the book cover. And if you could also draw this on paper, of course, and then we're going to join up the lines. So on Canva, I'm going to get a line, and you can either type line, and it has a circle at each end. And if I make this bigger, it's easier. And let's go with our first coordinate, which was 3, 1, and stretch it to our second coordinate. And we're going to go round like this. And I'm going to Command C and Command V each time again. So you should have the shape, this shape for the cover. Now we're going to do the top page. So we're going to grab a dot again. See if I can just isolate a dot. Hold on, let me move it. Okay, let's start the top page. We want 3, 1.5. So I'm going to make this bigger. 2, try. Okay. And 5.55. So 5.55. It's actually a little bit more like that, isn't it? And 3, 8.5. 3, 8.5. And minus 3, 8.5. And actually it will tell you when you're in a line. And minus 5.5, 5. And minus 3, 1.5. Okay. And there are 2 more dots that I want to do for the folds. So I want to do 0, 1.5 and 0, 8.5. On Canva, we're going to get rid, or I'll show you. Take out the grid and these lines. So eventually we will see when the lines connect for the pages. So we will see when those lines connect. So let's join those up, and also let me just copy this for the next one down the bottom. First, let's take a line and copy it. And let's start here. Let's do our bottom page. 3 minus 8.5. 5.5 minus 5. Want it to be in line with what's up there. And 3 minus 1.5. 5. Tell me there. -3 minus 1.5 minus 5.5 minus 5. Want it be there. And -3 minus 8.5. And let's do our dots for the fold of the page. 0 minus 1.5 and 0 minus 8.5. And now we're going to join those up. I'm going to start here. And don't forget your 0 here. I'm going to duplicate this before I do anything. Right, so that's our version. And this is the blank. We'll rename this one blank Grimoire because we've got our coordinates Grimoire up here. So way down here, let's delete. I'm doing this because I've got a duplicate. So, and then I'm going to actually just click on all of them. So we're left with our book. If we look at the Grimoire, I've been looking at this for reference of this shape, this and this. I think we have the shape. We could do with putting something in here, and we can use the Canva tools to do that. Let's go to tools. Let's make this bigger. And just get a pen for drawing. Let's try a marker. And let's go for green. Maybe very Aussian. And 4. Maybe this is a message left in handover. Good. And you can do this on your hand. If you've just got paper, you can write in it as well. Even in Canva, you could maybe get some stars. Let's see if we can make green stars. Ones that we can change the colours. No. Let's get free ones. Can you change it? Yeah, we can change the colour. So let's change this to the green. And then let's make them smaller. Maybe just a section of them. And you can get whatever you like. So you could find some wings. I think there's a like butterfly. Let's get some wings. Let's get some monkey wings. Is that possible? No, just monkey, but let's get some wings. Yeah, maybe griffin wings. Oh, let's do this. Oh, hold on, that's pro. I wanted to do something that wasn't pro. So this one's fine. Can put some wings in here. So have a play. Do your coordinates. And then you can design your spell book, your own Grimoire. I hope you enjoyed that. Check back soon.